Hi guys! Come with me and let's visit the Plaza Premium Lounge at Mactan Cebu International Airport. So pagkapasok nyo pa lang dyan sa lounge guys, makikita nyo agad yung shower area na nasa left side. At sa bungad pa lang ng lounge, makikita nyo agad yung mga food items nila. And I can't wait na matikman lahat ng mga food nila. Siguro pati yung mga nag-i-scoop. Joke lang. So ito yung loob ng lounge guys. Ang daming available seats na kung saan pwede kayo magpahinga at mag-charge ng mga gadgets ninyo. They also have free drinks inside. At sa loob, meron din silang screen. Ayan, makikita yung screen kung saan naka-display yung mga flight details so you'll get updated. And so, sa pinakadulo ng lounge guys, sobrang dami pang available seats kung saan may view ng mga nakapark na airplane. Isn't it nice? So ayan, kumuha ako dyan ng free drinks nila. May free drinks sila na lemonade and orange juice. And now, it's tikiman time! I can't wait na matikman lahat ng food nila. I mean, hindi naman lahat pala ng food kasi hindi naman lahat ay tinikman ko. For my food, I only had the chicken afritada and then the pork fillet. And then the chef recommended me na tikman daw yung pork humba nila. And then guys, yung tinikman ko talaga yung pork humba nila kasi yun daw yung best sa lounge. And he was right, the chef was right. The pork humba is super delicious. I'll rate the pork humba 10 over 10. And OMG, my all-time favorite, the banana turon. For the fruit guys, I had a watermelon and had some bites of my cake din dyan, and so I love it. Super delicious talaga. And by the way guys, I got this Plaza Premium Lounge access for free by Trip.com. So if you guys wanna know how did I got this for free, just comment down below. So that's it for today's video, and follow for more travel tips. Ingat!